I'm Heather with WTI. Do you have a really tall big man that needs way more blanket than the typical electric blanket? I do too, and this one, I am proud to tell you, he loves. It is perfect, nice and long, dual-sided, so I don't have to get overheated. This electric blanket from BESTCHIC is really cool because he can have his side on well before getting into bed, so it's nice and cozy and warm for him when he climbs in. My side can be off since I'm a hot sleeper, and we're both very comfortable. And the fact that it stays on for so long before shut off, he can sleep comfortably the entire time he's asleep, and he absolutely loves it. I just leave my side unplugged and we do just fine. And with 4 levels of heat, you can have it low all the way up to high, and the security of knowing it'll kick off after 10 hours of keeping you warm. You can have the best of both worlds. Shut the heat off if you're a warm sleeper, and he will be oh so happy needing that extra warmth. That's my point of view.